The DESLOC A100F Smart Fingerprint Deadbolt offers a remarkable 12-month battery life, ensuring long-lasting performance without frequent changes. This smart lock provides multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, PIN code, and 5 backup physical keys for added convenience. With advanced fingerprint technology, the lock recognizes fingerprints in just 0.3 seconds, making it both quick and efficient. Installation of the DESLOC A100F is straightforward, requiring only a screwdriver, and the company provides excellent customer support and a 1-year warranty. The lock is designed with premium security features such as an anti-peeping PIN code and durable zinc alloy construction, offering robust protection. Its IP54 waterproof rating and ability to operate in extreme temperatures make it a reliable choice for various environments.